So I was just planning to record this video, and so I went for a face wash, and accidentally the face wash went inside my eyes, and you know what happens next. So there was a plan of making this video, so here it is. So hi everyone, I am Siddharth. Welcome to this new series where we will learn about backend development. I'm not going to keep this series to be a language specific backend development course. Rather, I would like to give you an approach of how the backend development is done on the commercial basis in the production level. So by understanding the concepts or approach towards building a product from this series, you will be pretty much able to design backend of any applications. At least I can guarantee you that much. At least you can begin your approach with this course. So this is going to be a very beginner friendly video and video of series, and only few prerequisites are there for continuing your learning with this series. That is your knowledge of JavaScript. At least you should understand how the asynchronous nature of JavaScripts are handled. Followed by that, you need to have knowledge of exception handling in JavaScript, how the try-catch blocks are written. Apart from this, you need to understand the concept of conditionals and looping. And last, that is very important, that is your interest and enthusiasm to adapt this new approach of learning backend. Yeah, the approach is going to be a bit different from the ones which are available in the market. This is a new way of learning backend. I believe you will like it. So put down your reviews in the comment section below so that I can also learn from them and make the course accordingly. So that's it in this video. In the next video, we will learn about how can we build a Hello World app using the Express framework of Node.js, and then we will learn backend slowly and steadily. So that's all in this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.